Hello and welcome to MarkTech Computing Solution. So in this tutorial, I want to teach you the simple steps of connecting your VPN using so I've introduced the NPV activation method. So ensure you have the NPV tunnel, download it from your Play Store. So I think the first step, we have to import the NPV file, configuration file. So I think mine is on my WhatsApp. So head over to your NPV file, maybe in your storage, your WhatsApp or anywhere, Telegram. Click on the file and ensure you open with NPV tunnel just once. So the password is VIP IP in capital and click OK. Successfully imported. So select the file you've imported, the first one. So in this VPN, we are relying on the IP address ranges. It cannot work without the correct IP address. So I'm going to show you how to search the IP address using the HTTP custom tools, the mobile IP hunter. So head over to your HTTP custom. And go to your hamburger. So the hamburger is here. Then scroll down to mobile IP hunter. In the mobile IP hunter, paste the IP address ranges if you have them. If you do not have, contact me on WhatsApp. I'm gonna send it to you. So click search. For me, this is the first time I'm using the IP hunter. So I click search. It should be taking me to this digital assistant app. So you have to change the default digital assistant app from Google to HTTP custom. Click on. So after changing the default digital assistant app to HTTP custom, click search. Be patient enough while searching the IP address because it might delay. So you have to be patient enough. So wait for it to search. So ensure you have to be patient when searching. So after seeing the found IP, the next step, go to your Psiphon Pro app. Use the siphoning method. Ensure you have done the siphoning method. Siphoning route only. So after finding the IP, go to your Psiphon Pro. On your Psiphon, click the start button on your bottom screen. Wait for it to connect.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can. Okay,
now the Psiphon is connected. As you can see. So if you come to a Psiphon, you can see it connected. Your log is connected, but this Psiphon I've got almost 17 to 20 MBs and you have to deplete it. So I'm gonna go to YouTube. My YouTube, I'm gonna watch to ensure just for depleting the 22 MBs. So I'm then decide to stream. I'm just streaming on YouTube to ensure I finish the siphoning MBs. That is about 22 MBs maximum.
Consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical.
So what's this for me?
As you know why I'm on YouTube is I'm trying to deplete the 17 to 22 MB offered by the Psiphon to connect. So you may go use the siphoning data elsewhere, but for me I choose to come to YouTube and ensure I deplete it here.
An IT technician by profession.
So so as you can see, the reloading sign, so that is to mean that the siphoning data is depleted. So come to your Psiphon, confirm, and the logs. As you can see, it was tunnel connected, and now it's saying tunnel connected. That is to mean the tunneling data is depleted. So when done, depletion of the 22 MBs, no, it is about 15 or 17 to 22 MBs. You can confirm it here. For my case, it is 14.8 MB. Yeah, that is okay. But if you also go up to 22 MBs, it is okay. But for me, it is 14. But it means it has been depleted. So as you can see, it is saying tunnel connected. Now stop the tunnel in the siphoning. The next step after depleting the 22 MBs of the Psiphon, head over to your NPV tunnel. The reason why we are using NPV tunnel is to activate the unlimited VPN, but we have to activate using the NPV tunneling. So after depleting the siphoning, go to your NPV tunnel, open it, use the file you have imported earlier, SSH, come to your home, then click the connect button, the start button here. It's connecting. Now it is connected. So once connected, you can confirm it here. It's saying connected. So in NPV tunnel activation, you have to use about more than 50 MBs. So you will confirm from here the download link, the data you have used to use the NPV, more than 50 MBs of it. So I may even go to TikTok. For my case, I'm gonna go to TikTok. And watch your favorite show. So okay, the reason I'm on TikTok is to use the NPV tunneling data or
Mwenyezi Mungu kama ni sasa mimi Aviator imenikula usiku mzima, nimeshinda nikicheza Aviator usiku mzima. 7 to 6. Baby, tusalimia Alex Mwakideo. Ndio huyo. Wewe tulikutana kwa shule Afrika akaniambia ananipenda, sijui kama ndo ananipenda. Anaambia kila mtu anampenda. Songo pia alimwambia anampenda. Anaambia sio kwa Songo. Vienyeji. Songo akiwa hapa, vienyeji wanakwanga hivyo. Hata kwa bibi wa pili wa Songo. Alikuwa anaenda kazi. Alikuwa anaenda shule. Enjoy your life now. Would you state your network?
Yeah, we are past 45 MBs. So from here, you're good to go. So the clarification I want to make here is that the reason I'm using the NPV tunnel and I'm ensuring I'm using almost more than 45 MBs is to activate the stable or the HTTP injector configuration of the limited VPN in the injector. So once you're past 45, you can go to HTTP injector at your own choice, but you may choose to still remain on NPV tunnel. So you can stop. Again, if your device doesn't allow to use the NPV or doesn't allow to install, you still have an activation choice using the HTTP custom. So you may still connect this one as your activation and wait for it to connect. So still this will work. You may start with NPV or HTTP custom. Wait for it to connect. Head to HTTP injector. So here you just come and start and wait for it to connect. This is the best. Yeah, once you have depleted the NPV or HTTP custom activation, you have used more than 45 MBs, come to injector, start it and use it. Yeah, that's it. And ensure you follow the steps. Just for summary, you start with searching the IP address, head over to siphoning, finish this 17 or 14 to, the siphoning MBs, that is about 70 to 22 MBs. One depleted, head over to NPV. If the IP address haven't changed, head over to NPV. Use the NPV more than 45 MBs. After finishing, come back to your injector, connect it, and that's it. You're connected. So ensure you follow these steps, and I'm going to say that this trick is 100% working. So ensure you follow it. It's 100% working. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.